In this video, you will learn how to enable 0DTE in Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app and sign in. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device and log into your account details. Make sure options investing is enabled. Go to account, investing, options trading, then confirm you're ready for approval for options trading. Check your options level approval. 0DTE requires a high level options, usually level 3, so verify your level in the options settings. Search for a stock or index with the same day expiration. Tap search icon for the stock like SPY or QQQ, then scroll through the options chain to check today's expiration date. Review and accept risk disclosure if prompted. Robinhood may ask you to confirm your risk warning before placing a 0DTE trade. Read and approve, then continue. Select a contract and place an order. Choose a call or put option, expiry date today, and place your trade. This order will execute if the market conditions allow. Now you know how to enable 0DTE in Robinhood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.